What's good, man? Welcome back to Jump Rich Trades and Stocks. We spilling all the info that they don't want you to know, man. And today I'm gonna be putting y'all onto some free game onto how you can be making money every day off of your phone with stock options, no matter whether a stock is going up or down. Yes, you heard me correct. You can make money off of stock going up or down with trading options. So that's what I'm gonna be teaching y'all today, man. And stick around to the end of the video because I got 2 stocks that you need to have on your watch list for the week, man, to make some money and be able to gain with Jump Rich Trades. Let's get it.